This video is going to be extremely fascinating for you because the strategy that I am going to show you in this video is so simple and highly profitable that you are going to absolutely love it. So what happened previously, I created a video related to 5-second strategy, 5-second trading strategy, because my VIP copy trader requested me to do so. So I did some research and made that 5-second strategy video. I shared it in my YouTube channel. If you want to watch that video, I'll put that video anywhere in the screen at the end of this video. So keep on watching this video. And my VIP copy trader made few trades with that strategy, and most of them were profitable with that exact strategy. And now they have requested me to create a 15-second trading strategy video. See, I have two Telegram channel, one free Telegram channel which you can join absolutely for free, and the link for it will be in the description of this YouTube video. And if you join that free Telegram channel, then you'll see some description there on how you can join my VIP copy trading Telegram channel. And if you are able to follow that instruction and join my VIP copy trading channel, then you can literally copy my profitable trades on a daily basis automatically in your account by using the social trading feature of Pocket Option. So my VIP copy trader app today requested me to make a 15-second trading strategy video. That's why I did lots of research and brought the best 15-second strategy video that is extremely simple and highly profitable. So that's why I'm creating this video. So please watch this video till the end, and if you think this video added some value to your life, then please do like this video, because if you like this video, then YouTube will make this video reach to more people and it can help more people to make profitable trades. So please do like this video. Now, without doing any delay, let's get into our core topic. So firstly, you need to do is you need to make all of this currency pair favorite by making yellow in this way. Just make this currency pair yellow by making this stars yellow. Those currency pair which have 92% payout, make all of those currency pair yellow and put it at here. Once you do this much, then just select the candlestick time frame and select the 15-second candles. That means each of these candles are forming in 15-second time frame. Once you do this much, then just click on this. If it is flag, just click it and make it clock, and then select the trading time frame also as 15. That means your trade will also close in 15-second time frame. Now once you do this much, then decide the amount that you want to invest in one trade. So now you are not even going to use any indicator. You are just going to make trade on a basis of a theory, and it works like a charm. You will soon understand. So what you will do is, so for example, you are in this currency pair right now. Okay, you are in this currency pair. Now you switch to this currency pair. So whichever candle is red, make trade by clicking on lower. Once this trade close, go to another currency pair. If it is green, make trade by clicking on higher. Okay, so now next important thing that you need to understand. So let's say you are in this currency pair. So you need to find this kind of market. If it is falling down rapidly, then only if this candle is red, then make trade by clicking on lower. Similarly, if you switch to this currency pair and market is falling down and this is red, then only make trade by clicking on lower. This thing is very important. Okay, now once this trade close, you go to another currency pair. See, it is going up, this candle is green, make trade by clicking on higher. It is as simple as this. Okay, so now let's switch to another currency pair. Here you can see market is falling down, this candle is red, then only make trade by clicking on lower. So it is as simple as this. You need to do only this much thing. Now I'll make few trades and show you by making these trades on how this strategy actually works. So let's get started. So we are in this currency pair right now. Let's switch to this currency pair. So see, it is a trendless. So now it have caught a trend. So we cannot make trade in this. Okay, now because we didn't find a good catch at here. So let's switch to another currency pair. So it was going up. So candle is red. We are not going to make trade. So let's go to another currency. It is falling down. The candle is green. We are not going to make trade. So let's switch to another currency pair. So it is going up and there is a green candle, so we can take risk and make trade by clicking on higher. So let's see what happens in this trade. Seems like we made loss in this trade, but you cannot become 100% right all the time. Okay, so let's switch to another currency pair now. So this is also a trendless, so you should not make trade on these kind of trendless candles. Okay, so just go to another currency pair. So it's falling down its red, immediately make trade by clicking on lower. Now let's see what happens in this trade. Most probably we are going to make profit in this trade, but let's see, anything can go wrong at any time. We still managed to make profit.